Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix verification failed error in Apple ID. If you're using an iPhone or iPad and you're facing a verification failed error in your Apple ID, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just open your settings app and you just have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. Then go to general section, go to VPN device management and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, just go back from here and go to the language and region option, select region and select your own region in which you're living. After selecting a region, just go back and go to data name section and also enable this toggle to set your data name automatically. Again, go back and go to software update and just try to update your software. After updating software, just go back and here you have to go to general again. Go to transfer or reset iPhone, select reset and select reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network setting, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. Or after doing this, you can also try to make a force restart with your iPhone. Now to do this, you have to quickly press and raise the volume up and volume down. Press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can go to your settings app, tap on your Apple ID, and here just select sign in and security option. And you can try to change your iPhone password. Just tap on change password here and verify yourself using your Face ID or your iPhone passcode. And then if you want security delay, so you can also try to start security delay. And after security delay, you'll be able to change your Apple ID password. After changing your Apple ID password, you must not face this type error. Or if you're still facing the same issues, you can try to contact the Apple support team. Now to do this, you have to open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use Apple Support Web. Select iPhone from here, then select this More option, select App Store, just tap on Get More Help, then tap on Call Us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.